Welcome, welcome, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are cruising for a bruising on this gorgeous Sunday. My boy with no helmet thing open. Go ahead, man, you got it. We're just relaxing today. It's a relaxing day. I just watched the MotoGP race. Fucking Quartararo won again. That boy's a savage. Can't say I'm impressed. Can't say I'm impressed. But it is what it is. Not much can be done. The boy's a champion. Well, Miller third, going to KTM obviously, and then Bagnaia crashes out. Zarco got second though, so you know it is what it is. And right now I'm going to my sister's house. She just got a MacBook Air, and I'm going to help her migrate her data from her old PC to her new Macintosh. So that's what we're doing. That's our little mission here, as we are taking the long way round. It's gonna coast. Also should probably pull over and adjust the old camera on the phone, because it's kind of annoying me a little bit. And I could certainly just do it here at the red light. That's a stop sign. No, that's a stop sign. That'd be rude. There's people behind me. I thought there was nobody behind me, but now we'll pull over. I just want to stop somewhere in the sun, because it's a little shady everywhere. It's a little chilly, but I'm also being a little princessa. Stop right here at this bus stop. I don't think there's any harm in that. There we go. Oh, and now it fixed itself. Son of a bitch. I'm out of control. Alright, so let's just continue. Ooh, that's a cute cross track. That could be my future car. Maybe. Possible. But yeah. Got a little over a week until my surgery. June 28th. So it'll be interesting, because I'm gonna be like, because these vlogs will not come out until like probably August or frickin' I don't even know. So it will be interesting to see people's reactions, like, bro, what are you talking about? How is this a week before June 28th? Well, surgery, my friends, surgery. Oh, I should have went that way. It's okay. Look at us. We're cruising so slow. So gentle. I should do this more often. But it's also like Williamsburg, you know, on a lazy Sunday. Folks are already at the park. Well, it's Father's Day. Oh yeah, right. It's Father's Day. So I could see how it's an event that brings people out. Alright, we'll take a right here. This street is not that exciting. Give it a little gas. Not too much though, because we're gentle giants. We're gentle giants. A little GSXR back there. Semi-adorable. Pretty uneventful ride. Come on, brusky. You have to move it. You have to move it, taxi. I don't care how shiny your Infiniti is. If you were just chilling, if this was Saturday night and that was a private car, I'd be like, you know what, leave them alone. They stunting. But in your capacity as a taxi driver, get your fucking move on and deliver your passengers, god darn it. Gosh dang it. Sick of it. And look at this. This is the Williamsburg Hotel is back there. This is the W something. Look at it. It's adorable. There's a bar on top of it. Fancy people stay here. If you're staying at this hotel, there's a good chance you fancy. Look at this. Look at these structures. They're totally adorable. 74 wife, the brunch. I don't know what's happening there, but And this is Brooklyn Bowl. I've seen some shows here. I've been bowling here. Seen some friends perform here. Seen Action Bronson here. That was fun. I've told this story, but like my buddy was performing at Brooklyn Bowl, and we went up to the green room, you know, like up top. It's behind the stage and it's up the stairs, whatever. And yeah, and we like smoked some weed and stuff like that. And then the next day I went to see Action Bronson, and it was funny to see him emerge from that green room like a god. And I was like, bro, that green room is tiny. There's nothing happening there. But still, I mean, green room is green room. What is there supposed to happen in green room? Nothing. Look how slow we're cruising. This is normally I would have passed this guy 6 times at least, maybe more. Not today. Today we're just, I'm literally just enjoying being on 2 wheels today. Look how fun and adorable this is. This is how people normally ride. This is how I should ride from now on. Look how gentle it is. Look how happy. Happy little clouds. Happy little clouds. See? And this guy doesn't know how to make a red. Oh, is he gonna run red? That? Oh no. Impressive. Impressive. He stopped. Anyway, happy little clouds. Happy little clouds. People are out and about. How much gas we got? Oh, we got all the gas. Only 30 miles on this tank. All right. Green light. Let's go. Come on, Grandma. You can crawl along. I mean, I'm crawling as is, and this lady somehow makes it even slower. Pushing the limits. Pushing the limits. Excuse me, ma'am. Watch out with your child there. Alright, let's find a good spot. Obviously we can spark anywhere, because spark or park anywhere. No, I'm not gonna park here. Let's see. There's a little trailer home. Could have stopped right there. Supposed to park right here. Yeah, I think I'll just do that. No big deal. Yeah, this is nice. Perfect place. All right, well, that was a nice, casual, calm ride. What did you guys think? I don't think I called a single person a name. Did I? I don't think I did. And if I did, it's probably a momentary lapse of judgment. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.